The workshop was very interesting. Got to know the new method, and Masa was great, explaining everything very nicely. And it's the method is quite simple basically. So you can just have one practice and start with it anytime. So yeah, really nice. Thank you.
Hello, this is Dr. Shabaz Daruwala and I am from Pune. And I must thank Goral. It was a very excellent workshop on vitrification. And I just came for this workshop for fine-tuning and get to know about the cryotech. And I picked up so many new points. It's like getting to know things in a better way once again. Thanks a lot.
Hello, I'm Marco. I'm coming from Spain, and my opinion, this workshop was well organized and it's good even for people that don't have an experience to have a first idea, or with people with experience that have to optimize their technique. And so, nothing. This is my opinion about it, and thanks to all the organization because it was really well organized. Thanks again.
I loved the workshop. I learned a lot. The staff was very, very friendly, and it was just great. I would recommend anyone who's interested in this to come and do it over here. So, anything, should I say anything else?
So I really thanks to Dr. Coral. It's a very, very good workshop here. Previously, we done the vitrification in our hospital. This is a cryotech is very good, very simple, and survival rate is very 100% survival rate. Definitely, we use this method in my hospital and encourage for this method definitely. Okay, thank you.
I'm Dr. Nitschke from Switzerland. I was participant of this workshop today. It was a great workshop. We learned a lot. I think this is the most amazing technique, the most advanced oocyte freezing technique, which is available now on the market. We had all 100% survival rate, which is absolutely unique. I really recommend it.
Hello, I'm Dr. Stapnauer, and I came from Norfolk, Virginia, here for this vitrification workshop. And very interested in donor eggs, being able to vitrify donor eggs and having an egg bank, and this is the future. And this is such a simple technique that even myself as a doctor can master the technique, and I thank the organizers of the workshop and Dr. Kuriyama for his help today. Thank you.
On having a hands-on this vitrification of embryos and oocyte. So I am very glad to come here and do the vitrifications. So hope I'll do good work on this field.
It was a good experience in all. The lecture series before the hands-on training was quite informative, and this was a real hands-on training that at least I got some basic embryology as far as vitrification procedure is concerned.
It was a lovely experience attending this workshop. It's a technology which has been simplified to the extent that now we can start using it almost on an everyday basis, and we intend to implement it as fast as possible.
I've been doing vitrification for the last 4 months now, and every time I had to thaw, it was like I was dying and living again. Today, I think after today's workshop, I'll be able to do it much better and will have not the guilt that I'm killing oocytes or embryos here afterwards. I thank the organizers and our tutor who have been excellent, that in a short time they have given us the skills and the knowledge of vitrification.
Vitrification, I have always done slow freezing, and this is the first time I'm going to try with vitrification, and this training was like I got confidence after it.
Very happy to be at this workshop, meeting Goral and being here again. Nice experience. Survival rate 100% what they assure is really true, and the technique is very easy. It's also comparable with other available medias in the market. It's very easy stuff, even the vitrification and drying also. The loading is very easy. The steps are very easy, and all the people over here, the staff and the faculty is really good. Happy with the techniques and hope this will work out. I think I'll shift to this vitrification media. Hopefully.